Have you ever noticed that the world seems just a little bit blurrier than it did a few years ago? Or perhaps you've felt a persistent heaviness in your legs that makes a simple walk to the mailbox feel like a marathon. These aren't just inevitable signs of getting older that you have to accept, because what if I told you that the health of your eyes and the circulation in your limbs are deeply connected by the very same biological pathways? Today, we are diving deep into a comprehensive guide on managing cataracts and glaucoma, while simultaneously revealing a specific nutritional powerhouse that can dramatically increase blood flow in your legs. Most people think these issues are unrelated, but your vascular system is the highway that delivers life-sustaining oxygen to both your retinas and your toes, and when that highway gets congested, your vision fades and your mobility suffers. Understanding cataracts begins with recognizing that the lens of your eye is mostly made of water and protein, and as we age, those proteins start to clump together, clouding your vision like a fogged-up window. It is a slow process, often starting with a slight glare from oncoming headlights at night, or needing a bit more light to read the morning paper, but left unchecked, it can lead to a complete loss of independence. While surgery is a common and highly successful fix, the way we support our eye health through nutrition can slow this progression significantly. Transitioning from the lens to the internal pressure of the eye, we encounter glaucoma, often called the silent thief of sight because it sneaks up on you without any pain or obvious symptoms until the peripheral vision is already compromised. Glaucoma is typically caused by a buildup of fluid pressure that damages the optic nerve, the vital cable connecting your eye to your brain. If you imagine your eye as a sink with a faucet and a drain, glaucoma happens when the drain gets clogged, but the faucet keeps running, causing the pressure to rise and crush the delicate nerve fibers. Now, you might be wondering how this relates to the circulation in your legs, but the link is systemic vascular health. Poor circulation, often manifesting as peripheral artery disease or chronic venous insufficiency, means your heart is struggling to push blood through narrowed or stiffened vessels. When your legs feel heavy, cold, or tingly, it is a loud signal from your body that your endothelial function, the ability of your blood vessels to relax and dilate, is compromised. This brings us to the breakthrough drink that many seniors are using to jumpstart their circulation fast. The secret lies in nitrates, specifically those found in concentrated beetroot juice. When you consume these natural nitrates, your body converts them into nitric oxide, a signaling molecule that tells your blood vessels to open up wide, allowing a rush of oxygen, rich blood to reach your calves and feet. This doesn't just help you walk further without pain. That same boost in nitric oxide supports the circulation in your eyes, helping to maintain healthy intraocular pressure and nourishing the lens. To maximize this effect, you should combine beetroot with a splash of lemon juice, as the vitamin C helps prevent the breakdown of nitric oxide, making the benefit last longer throughout the day. However, it isn't just about what you drink, but also what you avoid, such as excessive sodium, which causes fluid retention and puts unnecessary strain on both your blood pressure and your eye pressure. It is also vital to stay active with low-impact movements like calf raises or seated leg extensions, which act as a manual pump for your veins, pushing blood back up toward the heart. Managing your health over 60 requires this holistic approach where you realize that a glass of rich juice and a brisk walk are doing double duty for your vision and your mobility. We have covered a lot of ground today, from the cloudy proteins of cataracts and the high-pressure risks of glaucoma to the transformative power of nitric oxide, boosting drinks for your leg circulation. Remember that your eyes and your limbs depend on the same underlying vascular health, so nourishing your blood vessels is the best way to protect your sight and your stride. If you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let me know in the comments what topic you want to see next.